In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the emblem on the front grille of your Toyota Corolla. Let's get started. Now, of course, if your emblem was missing, first inspect the grille and make sure that you can actually mount a new one if it's broken. But regardless, if you just want to replace your old one, from the back side, you have some clips that look like this. All you have to do is pry them, and the emblem should pop right out. Sometimes you'll need a little prying device. There we go. And there it is. Now take the new emblem, line up the 3 clips with the mounting holes, and just press it on until it clicks and locks in. And there you have it. You're done. That's how you replace the emblem.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.